In this question, we are asked to simplify this expression over here. Alright, so what we must do is, we must first try to see what are the factorization techniques we can apply, alright, so that we can move towards cancelling some common terms in the numerator as well as the denominator. Alright, now let's look at the first term here, 2m squared minus m minus 3. So let me rewrite the entire question here. Over 12m multiplied by 6m squared plus 9m over 4m squared minus 9. Alright, so for this first term here, 2m squared minus m over minus m minus 3, okay, we can consider doing the cross or the box method. Okay, so I'm going to do the cross method over here. So 2m and m will give me 2m squared. Now to get 3 is definitely 3 and 1, so 3 and 1, so I'll get a 3. So let's do the multiplication. So m times 3, I get maybe 3m here. 2m times 1 is 2m. Now what I want over here is a negative m, correct? I want a negative m. In order for me to get a negative m over here, it must be negative 3 and positive 2, correct? Negative 3 and positive 2. Alright, so that's why I must put a plus sign here and negative sign here, and negative 3 times positive 1 will give me negative 3. Alright, so it all matches up. 2m squared is here, minus 3 is here, and negative m is here. Alright, so that is how you do the the cross method for the factorization. If you are comfortable with the box method or any other approach, that is fine. Alright, now so after you factorize, we know that the two factors here are 2m minus 3 and m plus 1. Alright, so I'm going to write it here, 2m minus 3 and m plus 1 divided by 12m. Now for the second term over here, second fraction, for the numerator, the common factor would be m, and you can also factorize out the 3, correct? So you have 2m plus 3 over here. Now divided by 4m squared minus 9. Alright, when you look at 4m squared minus 9, alright, how do you factorize this expression? Alright, so that is where we must look back at our factorization rules and techniques. So what we know is, alright, we know that the expression a squared minus b squared is equals to a plus b and a minus b. Correct. So in order for me to use this rule, I must have a term square minus another term square. Correct. That means the subtraction of the square of two terms. Alright. So as long as I can express this 4m squared minus 9 in this form, then I can directly apply this rule. Alright. So 4m squared minus 9, 4m squared minus 9 can be rewritten as 2m whole thing square minus 3 square. Alright, so you can see that this 2m whole square is the same as 2 square m square, which is 4m square, and 9, the square root of 9 is 3, so this is 3 square. Alright, so now when I write it this way, you can see that this directly maps to the expression a square minus b square, where a is 2m and b is 3, correct? So I can rewrite this expression 4m squared minus 9 as 2m plus 3, which is a plus b, and 2m minus 3, which is a minus b. Alright, now let's write the expression over here. So what I have here is 2m plus 3 and 2m minus 3. Okay, now let's go on to see what are all the common factors we can cancel out. So here I have 2m plus 3 and 2m plus 3, which can cancel each other out, the numerator and denominator. 2m minus 3 and 2m minus 3 over here. Alright, then we have m and m that will cancel out, and 3 and 4 I can simplify it to be 3 over 12 can be 1 over 4. Correct. So finally the only terms I have left are m plus 1 over 4. Alright, and that is the final answer for this question here. Okay, so whenever you have a simplification question, alright, similar to this, the direction you must take is try to factorize as much as you can so that you can see some common terms in the numerator and denominator that can cancel each other out and give you a much simplified expression in the end, alright, like what we have over here. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.